Wagwan sports fans, welcome back to another very special episode. I'm Joe Mar,
I'm Rush.
I'm Emil.
and this is the Sir That Sports TV, the place you guys come to get the best and most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet, people.
Yes, people, but before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this one, leave a comment, and subscribe to this or that Sports TV. And one more thing for us, though.
Tell them.
Share this video to as many people as possible. Yeah, I remember the intro in mind
Jesus
first.
have mercy, it's been so long.
It's been a minute, so I'm not going to fight him.
Share this video to at least 10 people. And if each and every one of you can get us at least 6 subscribers, do you know how many subscribers we get by the end of the day?
Yes. And it's Reggae Boys time again, so you know we're excited, you know what heap of content they have to do. But before we get into the video, people, we have something to mention. I met myself big on the screen, the car. You don't know, first of all, he's a very handsome youth. That's the first thing. And then second of all, we have very important business to talk about. So people, you don't know the Reggae Boys are touching at the National Stadium June 6th. And the man them need no support. We need to go out to the stadium, rock up the stadium. Bro, I don't know if you see it, but the JPL's finals are the most part see the stadium in a minute. You get me? I say, so if we can get the Reggae Boys that amount of support, people.
Boy, them run up and down on the track same way.
That's how you go. You see me? So if we can give the Reggae Boys that amount of support, people, I love it. But there's a special promotion going on. In order to get 10% off your tickets, go to JFF website and put in the promo code this or that Sports TV when you're buying a ticket to get 10% off. You see it? It'll run down at the bottom of the screen. If you can't spell this or that Sports TV, can make email help. Email, you can spell this or that Sports TV real quick.
Oh, fully done. Can't help you. Them must know.
I mean, my brother, you can spend this or that Sports TV people in place.
But no, bro, as I said, bro, just look on the ticker, bro. Cause you know,
Yo, come like some, don't spread me up, but even not go around.
you wanna spell it then. You will spell it.
Eh?
You will
But
spell it.
I just do so much work. Me I go to something for do.
Me no want nothing for you. You don't worry about that. The show not started. But
See
yeah,
your
people,
mankind.
if imagine if you buy all 10 tickets, 12 tickets, 14, 15 tickets. You get me answer with that 10% discount. You know how much money you end up save? You can be the cool
Yeah.
guy. Or just brave the ends and buy a beer ticket. You get me answer? You end up get all 2, 3 free tickets. Use the promotion code. Come out. Yell up this or that Sports TV and support the Reggae Boys. You know, remember the days when nothing less than 25,000 in a stadium, same way bleachers ram up. You get me answer so till people can't go for bleachers no more, so them just have to spend them 5 grand and go grandstand. I know so them still a go though, because it's a must, and that's the kind of energy we're trying to bring back. And as I said, the JFF I work hard for me to know halfway. You get me? I said them I work on a whole heap of things, a whole heap of entertainment, a whole heap of attraction. Them I try to work up qualifying football, an event. And normally a 1,500. And now I'm about a 1,500 no more if you use our promotional code. You get me? I say? So just buy a ticket, come out, support the boys, enjoy yourself, and just watch you give Dominica 6 or Damrep
Yeah.
6.
Me could start on that real quick because obviously we know say the Jamaica Football Federation them have a new promotion and a marketing team up there now.
Yeah.
Them partner with Stream and them a do some good work. Obviously, this is something we'll talk about. For as long as we're on YouTube, bro. You get me? I say utilizing the youth, utilizing social media and all the other platforms where you can use to get people come out and support the boys, bro. You see me? I feel like the people that are not necessarily avid football fans feel so disconnected from Reggae Boys. Cause Jamaicans are some patriotic people in every aspect, But then somehow we can't get people in a stadium. So I appreciate the JFF trying to, and first of all, understanding that they don't have all the answers, and outsourcing the promotional and marketing aspect of, international football. I love that first of all. Hopefully at the stadium we can get some entertainment. We see a JPL finals. We see a whole show at halftime. Love that, bro. So hopefully we can get some of that and people come out. Not only for the football, but for the show when the Reggae Boys are playing. So people use the 10% discount code and come ram up the stadium. You see it? Now let's talk about our Reggae Boys, bro. We have 2 very important competitions to play this summer. It's a big summer for we, and probably one of the most important we're gonna have because Coach, I'm here arguing today for a minute. I know I'm going to enter in first World Cup qualifying campaign,
Yeah.
coming off what we would call a successful Nations League campaign. You see me? So let's talk for a minute. What does this summer mean to you, Jomar, as a Jamaican football fan? Talk to me.
One thing I love personally, is that for the last, I guess, 2 or 3 consecutive summers we've been actively playing football. You get me? I say, Hal Grimson coming in, taking over the team, guiding us to relative Gold Cup success, Nations League and overperformance, if you ask me, and going into this World Cup qualifying campaign, his first one. But what it mean to me, June, July are always big exciting times when it comes to the national team, and that's the way I wait the whole summer for. And it's finally here, and it kicks off with World Cup qualifying, which is the most important competition that we're playing. And just for now, say, another year upon earth, another chance to see the Reggae Boys attempt, hopefully this time successful to go to the World Cup. It mean everything to me as a Reggae
Yeah.
Boy. Absolutely everything.
Emil, wait. Emil, what do you want to see from the Reggae Boys this summer? What you would classify as success? Obviously the World Cup qualifying campaign start, but nothing that we do, I would hope that nothing that we do in the World Cup qualifying campaign in the summer will necessarily affect us qualifying. May I hope so. Me I hope so we have a win all that game. Me I hope so we're the favourites in all of the games and we will win. So I
Yeah,
don't think we'll do anything to take us out of the running.
not this
No,
summer.
not this summer. So
Yeah.
Emil, what would be a successful summer for you in terms of the Reggae Boys?
Well, let's start off with the way we play. We're playing against lesser opponents, in my opinion. These are minnows. So I want to see how well we can play against these guys. Can we take control of the possession of the game, of the ball? Can we control the midfield? Are we going to be chaotic in possession? These are the things I'm taking a look at. How well Hal Grimson manages the team, his man management, his tactical management, how will the team function against these guys. And I expect the team to come out with full points in this group.
All
Yeah,
right.
and you talk about that a World Cup qualifying, but just the question I'm asked was how you would have, like, where you would have deem a successful summer. And for me, answer the question, Rush, 6 points in our initial 2 games of World Cup qualifying. The difference are +8 going into the second set of World Cup qualifiers, I think, at the end of the year, right? +8 at least.
Yeah.
That should be the goal difference, well atop the zone. And then just to be competitive in the Copa America, Emil make reference to the way how we play football. The way how we play football will not matter against the Damrep and against Dominica. I can guarantee you that.
Regardless of what we do, supposed to lead them team.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're supposed to beat
so we
them,
have to
but let's
continue.
take a look back on when we played against St. Kitts. Yeah, we beat St. Kitts very convincingly based on the scoreline, but the
Yeah.
performance in general was very poor. So I
No.
Yeah,
want to see
And
an improvement.
as we said, we play sports in general. You play down to opposition. I think the real test of how we play football and what we try to do when playing football will come when the summer really kicks off. Because obviously, as summer, June 21st, summer solstice. That's when the summer really kicks in. You get me? I say, if I speak scientifically, because say we're brilliant with say when you see me go for the glasses, so we know things. You get
no
me?
man.
So when the summer officially kick off and we step into the Copa America, that's when we are going really see how well Hargreaves to put in team together. As you mentioned, St. Kitts, when they're playing a ball, but then come out to the result. You don't need to play ball. So
Yeah.
when I expect if to look super good against Damrep or Dominica. Bro, me I expect him kick and run football and kick ball now go like when you play FIFA upon semi-pro or upon
Yeah.
beginner. You playing a good football when you play upon semi-pro or beginner? Never. That's
When
not
Yeah.
I
a
play
thing.
on semi-pro, when I play.
Ball and you just run past the defender and you kick the ball in the goal. But when
Mhm.
we are playing against the likes of the Mexicans and if I'm not mistaken, Ecuador, who else now say
Ecuador,
Ecuador
Venezuela.
and Venezuela. Like those are all good teams.
No, I forgot play football.
Exactly. And we have to play exactly how Al Grimston wants the team to play. And that
Yeah.
is going to be a true reflection of the work that he's doing. Now, success for me, I think, though slim, there's a possibility of us managing to get out of that zone. You get me? I said, the Ecuador team and the Venezuela team on paper and in rankings, are better than us. However, I do believe that the talent that we possess and with Halgrimson's coaching, we can we can put up a fight against them. Not to mention the Mexico team who goes into that zone as the seeded team. Bro, I feel like say sooner or later, and me lean to sooner, we're gonna have Mexico ticket. You get
Yeah.
me? So success for me, 3 to 4 points from the zone, yeah, go through to the second round. The Argentina run for the money, bro.
Me take anything outside of the group stage. Me take anything me get. Me get
Yeah,
me as there's nothing promised in a Copa America, bro. And I
uh,
understand that we do have a lot
point
of
point is not even promised in this competition.
yeah. I get. I understand. So we don't have much we don't attach much sentimental value to the Copa America because really and truly not our competition,
Uh,
but it's a tough competition, bro.
yeah,
Like the South American Confederation. And it's not easy for play now.
yeah,
And these are the teams that we're gonna come up against the best of the best. You get we catch a break with the group if you ask me. We could have get a much harder group. You get me? I say so. As I say, 3 to 4 points. Muda take that. Muda take 3 to 4 points. In terms of the World Cup qualifying campaign, I understand what Emil say, but and I also understand what you say. But where me I come from with it is, even though me I expect Jamaica to play down to the opposition, which is what we do most of the time. I'm not telling you that. We usually play down to the teams that we're playing. Whenever we get the easy team, we are expect for goal, even when we win 3-love. It's always some scrappy game. It's always some the team them come look better than them supposed to look against it. It's always some weird football always going on whenever we are playing teams that are lesser teams than we are. But I want Halgrim to use the World Cup qualifying games, especially these, what would that term, easy ones. Come on, bro. We rank, just if we go by rankings, even though football is not played on paper, we rank 50, what, 4th, 55th. Dominican Republic, me sure them never 100. You get me? I say, so this should be an easy game for us. I'm expecting Algrimson to go out there and show us what his tactics are. Show us how he wants us to play when we get teams where we are the favorite. Because I feel like we have a good understanding of how Algrim's not going to play whenever we get a team where we aren't necessarily the favorites or is an evenly matched game. We understand what we want to do with that. In terms of, more say safely that we're going to see Damian Lillard at the midfield whenever we come up against tough opposition.
yeah,
More say that. But I don't know how I'm going to play. Me and you have different opinions on this. Where me think say maybe we want to go with a midfield. We're more expressive when we have lesser teams. You want to just use it for perfect what we already know we're going to use when it counts. So I want to see what Algrimson will do when him come up against a Dominican Republic. Because this will give me some insight into him tactics. Let's talk about that for a second.
and that's the thing with CONCACAF too, bro. Is there are going to be massive pendulum swings where you're playing in a region where one moment you're gonna play against a team where you expected to score six, and the next moment you're gonna play against a team where it gonna be rough, like it gonna be a battle. You get me? I say Jamaica is not in a position where we're able to steamroll we're able to steamroll everybody in the confederation. It's like two ends of a spectrum. You get me? I say so we're gonna play a set of people we're supposed to beat up, and then we're gonna play a next set of people where they might gonna be favored over us
Yeah.
every single time we step on the field. And
Yep.
that's the beauty of CONCACAF, which is why it's important for take care of the small games because winning the small games is important in qualifying for the World Cup. You get me? I say, and then having the ability and the wherewithal and the awareness to then adjust snap of a finger, when needs be. And
Yeah.
this from the World Cup qualifying to the Copa America will be a perfect example of how Algrims will have to toggle the line between playing against a minnow that you're expected to dominate and then a couple of weeks later playing against people who are ranked higher than you and are expected to beat you. So definitely,
Yeah, underdog in every game.
yeah, yeah. So just an interesting dynamic, as you say, and
Very.
you want to see how him
More say
approach
we deal with it.
each and every
More say
six.
we deal with it.
Cause I know like CONMEBOL, bro, where
Every
bro
game is a hard game.
every team can beat Argentina in the whole confederation. You get me? I say every team, like you look on quote unquote minnows in the confederation, like a Peru,
Peru or yeah,
or it's a Bolivia. All of these teams, these are the worst teams in the confederation, and all of these teams on any given day, no 16 and no 7 in Naga go on in the
yeah.
confederation. You get me? I say so. Argentina, them have to know how them are gonna play, and that's how them are gonna play. You get me? I say all teams are good. Every team in the confederation they can beat every team in the confederation. Yeah. If Bolivia beat Argentina 1-0, it's gonna be a travesty, of course. But trust me, if Dominica beat Jamaica, bro, it's a for roll.
Yeah.
And that are the difference between the different confederations. As you said, that's a good point. I'm curious to see how him. I'm curious. I'm happy to get the chance to see him approach both
In the
very
same summer.
in a matter of weeks. Because
Yeah.
you talk about how beating the Minnows consistently in CONCACAF important to qualify for the World Cup. Canada never did have a bye to the final round like we did. Them did have to fight them way through the hard nosed Haitis and then the easy St. Martins and them kind of country. They get me saying Canada put where who them for put where. And then when them come up against Haiti, them punch it out to the Haiti. You get me saying,
Yeah.
and that's how them find them way in the hex and qualify for World Cup. That's a
Yeah.
conquer. And this year we are going to do that. We are going to play through the minutes and then same thing in a couple of months' time, Guatemala come a stadium. We
Yeah.
not Guatemala 3 love. Me can promise you that much. You get me? I say we not Guatemala 4 love. Guatemala come a stadium. Guatemala come a stadium to try to beat you a stadium. No, we're not supposed to lose to Guatemala stadium.
Yeah.
But mess around and find out against a team like that. You get me? I say so. Understanding the way how High Grimson plans to adjust in between good teams and bad teams because the whole campaign will be like that. Then the next round you probably have one weak team and then you probably have an average team and then a strong team. So as you said, that was something you point out that I never did percolate in my brain box. But yeah,
That's what it's about, bro. You think about even this first round of World Cup qualifying campaign. We're not gonna play Mexico or USA bro. We need for so maybe we'll go and say, oh, they may not play at the midfield, but
yeah,
they may not necessarily the ball player we need in at the midfield to beat a team like that. And then because we're not looking at Dominican Republic for dominate the midfield, we don't necessarily need Damian Lowe for win the ball high. Phil will run over for steamroll Dominican Republic. Would we be better served playing another midfield, playing even another attacker in the midfield, and see what can go on this. So I'm say me interested to see, because we are gonna need to beat them small team. We are gonna need to run over them. No, we are gonna get to couple things. We just want to put it on the table right now. Where I get to the squad, where I get to some rumors where they about the players. Obviously, recently in Jamaica, Omar Hutchinson. We need to know what go on. But before we get to that, let's have a brush over the Copa America real quick. I'm excited for Copa America. I feel like me I try drum up some excitement in myself for real and I did it.
every time the national team play me extremely excited.
For the
Like
competition though, like you go to say, more, I don't
no,
know that did it.
Messi win it already, bro.
Yeah,
So Messi win it already, so I'm not care about Copa no more. Like the last
yeah,
time Copa did keep, bro. Shit, me did nervous. Like me need Messi for win that. They get me. I said Messi did need for broke him ducks. And then him
yeah,
win Copa and then just win the World Cup and know him as them say go to. They get me. I say so.
yeah,
Copa now have no allure to we or to CONCACAF.
yeah,
CONCACAF
yeah,
is about Copa. The teams in CONCACAF them just want match up to CONMEBOL. Like
yeah.
me hear it in the Mexican media and the US media and the Canadian media. It's not like, oh my goodness, Copa is so prestigious. Like, yeah, Copa bigger, the second biggest thing to yours. We get a chance to compete in it. But I
Mm,
don't think them get caught up in the pageantry of the competition.
yeah,
I really don't.
yeah.
I said, I care about.
And a question was going around on Twitter the other day. And me personally find it a dumb question. But I'm gonna ask it to me, because I want to think. Them say win Copa America this summer or qualify to the 2026 World Cup. Like it's a no-brainer, it's dumb, yet still there was a whole conversation about it. Me, I wonder if there's something wrong with me. Because every single day of the week and twice on Sundays, me not care about Copa America. And just for playing at the World Cup, all if we lose every single game, me just want to do it.
Bro,
What we are
like
talking about?
I remember qualification for COPA, whatever. And in my head, me I say, no, bro, we make it to the Nations League semi-final. Like
Yeah.
that for me, you get me? I say, no, we're
That
gonna
was always the bigger thing.
play America in the Nations League semi-final. Like, let's get it. COPA, whatever. And the thing about it is, we'd have played Trinidad, we'd have beat Trinidad. You get me? So we'd have played Trinidad at stadium.
Yeah.
We'd have beat Trinidad at stadium, then we'd have go COPA anyways. Like, bro, I don't care about COPA, bro. I don't care. But matter of fact, Musha did Gold Cup. Musha
Yeah,
did
man.
just Musha did Gold Cup again for me try to win Gold Cup again. Cause we are get
Yeah.
close in the Gold Cup. This is about
Yeah.
COPA, dog.
What you
COPA,
say, Emil?
I'm messing them something.
How you feel about Copa? You might mute, bro. Me not hear you. So you good life for a refresh and forward back. Yeah. Another thing, while Emil sort out him technical issues, me don't know how I go on over this
Man,
like
he's an
female boys.
IT guy too, you know. He's an
It's
IT
an
guy.
IT guy. Say it's a fix. I'm pretty confident it's a
No,
fix.
but he's an IT guy, so I'm not supposed to have so many technical issues.
That's true. That's true. Can come in and him a glitching and I want to little idiot laptop me there start using and I'm smoother than smooth in my father. So
Smooth
I
and
don't know what going over there.
well, I mean,
You see, but anyways,
IT guy need to figure out him stuff.
how you feel about that other conversation, you know? Because we just reel off some of the conversation on the reggae boys. Because obviously we never get to touch on some things. Me there, I think, bro, I say, yo, such a summer, Algrim's not going to start him first campaign. We are going to Copa America. Maybe we can shut the world real quick. You get me? I say, maybe we can get Argentina in a second round or,
Yeah.
and come, you know, it is the worst time for our quote unquote best player to take a break. And my low key feel like that I fly under the rate, bro. It's the worst time, bro. Like we
Bro,
need obviously.
I think the reason why it fly under the radar is because the Jamaican faithful are more focused on bigger and better things. You know, I think we are caught up with the Mason Greenwoods and the Reese Nelsons and the Omar Hutchinsons of the world. They get me I say,
Yeah,
they talk to somebody and them did I say, yo, rather than chasing one Leon Bailey who nothing else not dead for him get. You get me and say it just as him decide for that. Rather use the resources there and try chase three people. You get me and say try get Green in that team, try get Hutchinson in that team. Green and Hutchinson and Reese Nelson coming in that team, bro. I mean, obviously more is better, but the gap fill 2.5 times.
bro. I understand, but I can't bother with every single window where I wonder who I come. Bro, them think they're gonna disrupt the team too, you know. Like me need everybody to come this summer, you know.
Yeah, at this summer upsets, they have some exception, Carl.
You have some exceptions.
Yeah.
Me I go say one or two. You see if it now gonna move the needle. Me not really care for your next League One baller come play for we, no brother.
No.
Or for your next
We don't want,
and
we
then
don't want,
next
we don't need the League One. We think we
bro.
need the League One now.
Me not need a next League One baller for come play for we. Me not need a next Migla the Pack Championship
Greg Lee
in the defense to come play for we.
them the championship now, bro.
Me not need that, bro.
The League One thing, bro.
It have
Can't.
to move the needle.
Yeah.
It have to move the needle. As I say, if Reece Nelson come, me Arsenal man, so me know how good Reece Nelson be. Him just can't make a pitch for one of the best teams in the world.
Bro,
But a wicked baller.
Saka, Martinelli and Trossard.
Oh, he might make a pitch.
Yeah, you get me, I say?
So that have a move the needle.
Reece Nelson would have played. Reece Nelson would have played. Reece Nelson would probably play a Villa. Reece
Yeah.
Nelson would probably play. You get me? I said just a team in the mid table. Not to mention
No problem, bro. He made a play, bro.
a top level championship team. You get
He
me?
made
I
a
said,
play.
bro,
He made a play.
look where Reece Nelson do for Arsenal when him get on the pitch.
Mm-hmm.
Bro, Reece Nelson come to the national team. Reece Nelson automatically are the second, third, maybe first best player on the team on a good day. Believe me,
Yeah.
you get me? I say. So
Yeah.
that definitively I gonna move the needle. Bro, Reece Nelson may come and may well become the best player on the team. Think about it easily.
Yeah.
That's the question again.
Yes, sir. What
Yeah,
I
man.
I've switched to my phone.
Big
That's
man, me don't know
true.
how I'm going with it. Them say a IT guy, and so
No,
I
but watch
expect
now,
all them
bro. Remember, so the phone diagonal now and look how it clean.
clean like he I bought my father.
Crazy.
Even I have a 15. A joke. Anyways, yeah, Emil, may I say,
Mhm.
me just that have a thought to myself, because obviously we're going to record now a minute. I mean, I say, yo, this is one of the worst time me and Bailey could have picked for take a break from the national team, you know, because we have a very big summer. Arguments have him first World Cup qualifying campaign, he must start. And we want to go in with a momentum into the rest of the campaign. Oh, come it down the day have to start with it. But Joe Ma really I say, yo, that a fly under the radar because people really are focused on who is to come. Some of the names them we are here. People so excited that them not have time for this for be disappointed about the fact that Liam Bailey in there. What do you think about that?
I care zero, you know, to be honest. You know.
You care zero, very little to care. You care more than that, man. Oh God.
Really? Listen, man, no player is bigger than the national team. Yeah, as I said, as you rightly pointed out, the amount of quality that we're linked with. Hey, Fleon Bailey, personally, me think I kept my cap still. I just emotion and grab.
He not cap, man. He
Yeah.
not cap. He not cap. He dog dancer June, man.
Oh, well,
He not cap.
if I that him say, I hope him be a man of his word. But obviously,
No, me hope him a cap. Me hope he's not a man of him word. Me I hope come next week when the squad drop, me see the number 7 Liam Bailey. Me don't want it be true. You get me? Bro, Liam Bailey our best player. Liam Bailey upon him best day.
Bro, people not gonna like me.
Eh.
Number 7 would have look good in a Mason Greenwood back still, me I tell you. God and his truth.
So
Yeah.
I saw you out to the all in with the new just so.
Bro, at the national team, you know.
Eh.
Oh, at the national team. See, man like Marapa Marapa legend. And
Yeah.
Marapa can't really want near to my squad same way.
Mm.
Me love Leon Bailey, and I believe Leon Bailey is the best Jamaican footballer right now. And the man output make it definitive.
most
But
definitely.
here's a Greenwood miss 2 passport appointment. Then try to make him got the third one.
Mm.
Or else
Bro,
that's
don't
7.
mind,
Then a Greenwood back. I tell you the truth.
bro, me I be so completely honest with me right now. This entire Leon Bailey situation, it really, I don't like it one bit.
It's tiring and frustrated.
It frustrates me because the first question I ask, why choose to do that interview before we play a pivotal game? Then I start look on Jeffrey himself. Is this guy your friend? Why you never bring him one side and say, hey, yeah, sure you want
I
this?
call out Jeffrey.
As a youth, what say him no football?
Jeffrey no
Imagine
football, brother. You
Bro,
went
that
I,
look like him no football, man.
why
man. I understand what you try to say, and maybe share the same point in that, not necessarily on Jeffrey, but more so on Liam Bailey and his team. After that interview they do, bro, you have to look on Jeffrey and say, yo, when this a come out, it can't be the day before the game. You get me? I say it just can't be. Some understand that, but at the same time, bro, the man say what I say, and him mean him talk, bro. You know, me think the more I digest it and I get to understand what's going on, I not intend for revisit the whole conversation and why he get suspended. Bro, we do all of that already, so I'm not gonna go over that. But the more I think about it, it start feel to me like a little bit of sour grape, a little bit, a little bit. Like him a little bit like you get treated less than you think you're supposed to be treated. It start become more at that and being upset at, you know, more or less trying to ties out the problem for things we normally would have deal with. Only because something never go your way. It start feel away to me.
Yeah.
It just
And that
start feel away. But bro, the man said mentally taxing upon him. Me have my feelings about that. Because me not necessarily feel like national duties for become so taxing upon you. Especially things them we might talk about. But if a man say him can't deal, bro, him just can't deal. So I'm not gonna say him fi come or not fi come. But regardless of why him a come or not, this is one of the worst time to do this, bro. It have to be one of the worst time to do this.
Yeah,
But
I must say, I'm not even gonna chime in because I don't want to rehash. But
yeah, I don't have time for that.
sorry, Amy, you never did involve when we there go through that. We never get to beat him together. But as me say, no, no, bro. Rather than be caught up with Leon Bailey, rather allocate my resources and energy to try get Nelson a passport and get him name up a CONCACAF same way. Get Greenwood a passport and get him name up a CONCACAF same way. And slap on my Richardson upside the head and tell him to cut the bullshit now and put on back the colours. You get me? I say, and that a 3-for-1. Me that trade any single day. All I watch basketball same way. Say when all James Jones or Brad Stevens or Rappaninka them go up on the phone same way. And them say, yo, I have this a guy here. You get me? I say one Leon Bailey and you get Leon Bailey plus some drama, some cap space. And I get Green with Nelson and Omar Hutchinson. Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, man. Send over a paper, them let me sign it same time, boss. You want some draft pick too?
So you say that make that trade there, you'd say yo, Liam
It too.
you'd make that trade the Liam Bailey out Greenwood, Reece Nelson and Omar Hutchinson in?
Where you ask me, say?
You say that make that trade there that?
Oh, the backside. The fact say all ask me that 2 times. Make me wonder if him all have no little sense. That's why I'm there say maybe Chelsea could have looked for you as the next, but you can't get that job because if you have to think about that so hard.
No, that me never say me I think about it. Because I say it's kind of a controversial thing to say.
is it?
Yeah, bro.
Why that controversial?
Bro, Liam Bailey dog. And Mama tell you what the people are gonna say when they watch this. Me I tell you straight up right now.
A one person alone, me now make that trade there for. One.
Oh,
Andre Blake.
Alright.
And
Me
Everybody
just to clear the air.
else can get that trade there. Everybody
Just
else.
to
Defender, midfielder, forward, coach.
yeah.
Anybody can me make that trade there for Andre Blake.
Tell you
And
the truth. Tell you the truth. In basketball terms, if I was a GM, that trade is getting made in less than a minute. I understand what you say. I mean, I agree. But bro, what people are gonna say is, bro, Liam Bailey is up. Here
yeah.
I say, born Jamaican.
Mm.
You get me? I say, trading so, a son of the soil, not to say the others aren't, but somebody that was born in Jamaica for somebody essentially that or 3 people that we're essentially recruiting to come that we have to convince to play for Jamaica. And you have to ship out 1 to convince 3. We're really and truly Jamaican necessarily them first choice, or at least that nothing indicates that. It's a weird thing to say, and it's a very controversial thing to say, even though I would do it myself. You get me? I say Liam Bailey out, Omar Hutchinson, Reece Nelson, and Greenwood in, bro. What?
if you ask me
What?
that, listen, Rush, if you had asked me that question a few years ago before that, a few months ago before that interview was released, I would have called you a madman. But because that interview,
I call me a madman.
If you asked me that question there yesterday, last
See,
week, last month, last year, last decade, me make that trade there anytime. What you talk about?
I have,
Bro, if
if
you
you
ask me,
get a
bro, think about it. If you give me prime record of Gardner and ask me to make that trade there, me I make that trade there, bro. And me tell you, Andre Blake is the only person probably in Jamaica history who wouldn't make that trade there. What?
Can I say actually, it make you better. It make you better. But then, bro, why is it that it's always attackers where I get that? Because right now, don't get me wrong, you know. I don't care how them 3 man are coming out the squad, them have to come in, you know. Omar Hutchinson, Reece Nelson, Macy Greenwood, if they are available, they make the Jamaican
Absolutely.
squad. They make the Reggae Boy squad. Who have to come out? I don't know. But me know what will happen. And this is the point me make now. A defenders and midfielders are going to sacrifice for attacker them come in.
I carry 14 forward.
And that can happen, bro. If we just look on the Nations League where they arguments literally carry 5 defender, bro. The man carry 5 defender and play 3 at the back, email. You ever see something? He carry 6 defender and play 3 at the back. You ever see something like that in your life?
And one in the midfield.
And 1 in our midfield. What is wrong with this guy? The man just disappear.
On the phone there.
Anyways, bro, the man carry, was it 6 or 7 defender? He never carry no right back cover. Play 1 defender them in our midfield and play 3 at the back, bro. And that's going to happen. The defenders are going to get shot. And just more attackers are going to there. And man are going to get on a pick of them on the bench.
No, but I must say, I don't think we're going to get 3. Bro, if we get all 3 this summer, Jesus.
Ooh.
You get me? I don't think we're getting 3, but I hope for at least 2.
Bro, one thing Algrimson known for pull something more time at, you know.
I know said the people probably click me and send me going viral a long time because of what me I said. Don't get me wrong, give me the four of them.
Yeah.
Give me Greenwood, Nelson, Hutchinson, and Leon Bailey, and Demar Gray, and Shamar Nicholson, and Michael Antonio.
Mm.
That's fine. When
Yeah.
name Jamal Lowe, you did it just in case. See us, we call you. You will hear from me if needs be. You get me? I say, who else? Whisper, you're young. You get me? I say,
This man can't make a squad, bro.
no, that's why I'm saying you're young. So, me believe saying that 2 years, Whisper gonna be the best Jamaican.
Bro,
Me
if we get
believe,
them three, the Whisper can't make a squad.
not now.
If Leon Bailey available,
But think about it. Think
Reese,
about it. We get them three, the Whisper go up on loan and score 11 goals next season.
yeah. But me I
Somebody,
talk about right now and in performance.
if we get them three, them can't make the squad. We
Yeah.
can't. We can't come.
Yeah.
And we have Leon Bailey. Because keep in mind, me still want to chip it on my side so people don't get me wrong. Because I know it done clip and gone bad already. We don't get
Good
cancelled
le-
already.
good let me clip it.
We don't get cancelled already. But we want Leon Bailey on my side. And Leon Bailey make me way better. You get me I say?
Mm-hmm.
If we have Greenwood, Leon Bailey, Nelson, Hutchinson in the team and consolidated by Shamar Nicholson, Michael Antonio, and Demar Gray, that are seven. Maybe Whisper can be eight. Maybe. Maybe. But so, we might can squeeze in Whisper.
Mm. About
Bro,
Kadamati.
there's another one. There's another one where, bro, the things that we I tell Kalamachi right now, bro, them can't step on TV.
That's why me I say, yo, that's why I'm kind of easier for Omar Hutchins a little bit, you know. Even though the U20 easier for turn down, me not tell you no lie. But it dog say, yo, Jamaica wall out. England wall out too.
Yeah.
Dog, come out here picking side, my God.
And then him also come out with the big old Jamaica flag pace up on waist same way. That means something. For what it
Yeah, that means something. That
military
means something.
military crew must say, England he must say, yo, hey, pick me, look at me. You know, I must say, I'm at football, beat military gonna feet. I'm just did up on the sideline and watch you get me. I say, look out of my two eye them. I don't know what me believe. And that one good segue considering so there reason Emil just fought back. I'm going through some
What?
technical difficulties. Emil,
Yeah,
is
me,
the
good.
reggae boy now, or him just try to get the call up from England?
Oh, Kadamati.
Which he, no, Hutchinson, which he didn't get because the Euro professional drop already and Hutchinson at the point. So is it that he's trying to get the senior call up fit? That's why I'm coming out to the flag, or I believe say dogs are forward.
Yo, man. Yo, the man that be a psychopath for put on that, that Jamaican flag around him with not to come and play for that.
Mind games them a play, brother. You never hear about it?
Guna say him believe say publicity. Them beat Guna feet. You
Yo,
know, I think.
No, bro. Me can't go with military going up on that. Me can't see it. Bro, listen. The man represent Jamaica already, albeit unofficial friendlies. He represent Jamaica already. That means him show interest for come. My thing was just that,
Steps with the national team.
right? My thing was just that, bro. Every time when it's a captured occasion,
Yeah.
let's call it that. Whenever a time you get captured, bro, you're nowhere to be found. It's always an issue. It's always something a pop up. Then officially the dog come out and say, yo, me now focus on international football. Me I try to get this club thing done. And hey, it was the right decision for him because look how him season go domestically. You get me? I say so. Good decision. Now the season done. Where you gonna tell me say you need that day, my father? That have a bit of excuse now, bro. Omar Hutchins having passport. Safe to say. Omar Hutchins having passport. Cause Omar Hutchins get called. Cause the material having passport, bro.
Yeah.
Any of them money don't come, then
Sure.
don't want come. I mean, I tell you, if World Cup qualifying campaign go start, so this window and then the Copa America come.
And
I
then
mean, I
me,
see Omar Hutchinson in the team, bro. Me didn't even reach down to say it, bro. If me not see him in them 2 window, yeah. If me not see him in the tournament in the summer, me don't see him in the 2 weeks right now. Omar Hutchinson don't want to play for, bro. Oh, cause you have your passport, brother.
Him with a
I mean, no
pre
say, bro, if England call him to go play a Euro, him gone. So don't tell me, say, you want your holiday. Because if England he call you, you're gone. So you want to play for Jamaica, you don't want to play for Jamaica. And if you don't want to play, bro, take my flag off of your waist, my God.
What he's saying is that had the England called him, he wouldn't go neither. And that him I say.
That is, that was during the season. That was during the season.
I don't
Season done, bro.
senior call up either, you know.
Say what?
I wasn't a senior call up, you know. The
No, we know
England.
him get the we know man, him they get what
Oh, yeah,
U21 or something.
Russia say if England had called him, he would have gone.
But
And me,
think him gone nice summer, yeah. For go play a Euro? Think now, bro. Come on. Omar Hutchinson turned down which probably him only English England call up.
now that's why
When
everything
would
is done, because it's going to be the only one.
them don't know that at the head. They don't know that at the head. But me I say, him I go turn up as a championship baller, I got turn down a England call up, now come. So if him
Because
they get called for go,
he won't qualify him national, him real national team for the World Cup, bro.
so that are the point me I make.
England flag him up on him waist, my God.
If Jamaica don't call him, if England call him, and Jamaica don't call him, man, go for England. So when Jamaica call you, England don't call you,
No,
why you don't come to
I
Jamaica?
can guarantee you, say, if England call him, Jamaica call him too. So
No, I
one
said no.
not gonna go without the other.
Nah, I said no. But me I say if him get the opportunity to play the Euros, bro, he might go. That means say, come and represent your brother. Season done. Me don't want to hear them excuse anymore. You get me? I say, as I say, family, certain health, certain things
All right, so if
bigger
him
than
come
football.
represent you in the summer now, him can get excuse for Nations League, say him just want to focus on Premier League football now. In September, say
Yeah,
the Nations League. And then,
yeah, I'm going to come beat him.
but
Yeah,
him
but me not go.
say my
Yeah, but
part.
in captain, in captain, no. I just want more how long you say me hear that.
I probably wouldn't beat him if he not come for Nations League. Just come for
No,
it.
man, what me I gonna say is, it's not even necessarily about it, but what me I gonna say is, bro, what you talk about, you want this focus on club career thing, brother. You're not just 19. In fact, this can help your club career. What you talk about? So me I come and me I go along them lines, but it not gonna be that him no want to play for it. You
Yeah.
captain, but even care if you want to play for my God.
But do you even care?
I have know we tie you down to your son, father. You see it?
Joe
Other man,
Mara, I
yeah.
tell you, brother. There, I'm willing to, because you know me, I'm very critical when it come on to Omar Hutchinson. So when I did see that picture there, you know, I take back everything I ever said about the man.
Mm.
So if I don't see this man in my World Cup squad, you know, or my Copa America squad, whichever one, you know, if I don't see him, you know, I
First of
don't.
all, there's no way I don't see a world where Omar Hutchinson get called.
No man, Omar get but him get called every single time. Like
My father.
I used to call him every single time.
All right.
I'm saying if
All right.
I see him, if I don't see him a part of this squad, I don't know what I'm going to do.
Bro, and that's why sometimes I can't, but that's why sometimes I understand when a man say, oh, stop, run back at them money and that. That's why sometimes I understand it, bro.
It's
Mm-hmm.
Because
like
we're there,
me see Poland fly about 30 man on jet for to talk to Gaga Slanina, you know. When
no,
him
man, I say no, bro. But when you talk to a man,
yeah.
and you get him, and him have him passport, and then him a dodge, and him a dodge, and him a bob, and him a weave, and him a escape, you so. How much time you can't ever call him?
Until him captured by next country, bro.
Bro, and then when a man come in a squad now and the squad I look upon him like, remember say a human being we are deal with in that. And a man come in a squad now and a man I look upon him like, bro, like, you think you're bigger than this or something?
People are pros,
Like,
bro. People are
people
professional.
are pros. Me not say no, but it's not something where I got boost squad morale. Me can tell you that. Team morale. Can't hurt it. You get me? I say so. At the end of the day, Omar Hutchinson, I think him gonna come. I think him no show say him very interested in playing for Jamaica. English call up, I think the English call up they're close. So, may I expect to see him this summer, bro? And if I not see him this summer, I'm gonna be very disappointed. You see? I could talk about our squad look a bit and they will close stuff because we're going 45 minutes already. Feel like time will fly. Them say time fly when you're having fun.
Bro,
Um,
to them nearly dog.
how go on?
Man them win a trophy, dog.
But I see, remember last year, too, you know, that I look by you and I say, yo, I'm not a trophy in the dog. Cause you will finish second, but them man they qualify for Champions League and them get work and then get trophy in that, even though it was Carabao Cup. But the man then come again, stink up his season and win a trophy, bro. Me hate it, bro.
Stress me out.
Like it pain my heart, bro.
Stress me all the way out. It's
Like what
stress.
we I do?
It's not fair, but it's just not fair.
And Jamaica will come for talk about, man.
Yeah,
I,
honestly.
I choose them. I
Him get
choose.
beaten in the finals today still, but him good. Can him in Premier League? So he no word there.
That's why I'm no one Terry. Anyways, we could talk about the squad a little bit and then we'll close it off. Goalkeepers. Obviously, we know we have Andre Blake. Shaquan Davis got a call up the other day. Shaquan Davis, our
Mount Pleasant.
Mount Pleasant keeper.
Mhm.
Did well in the finals actually, but
Yep.
hey, so you go. Jamali Wait. Obviously, we know Andre Blake, Jamali Wait almost, not almost, them locked.
Then Neil
Oh
and
you,
team.
yeah. Shaquan Davis are the local best right now, me I hear. Is it me? And from what I see from him, not tell you lie, I'm looking at finals like a solid keeper, but obviously you know how we feel about
JPL players.
JP ball. I didn't say we are winning no. What can I say that?
Well, first of all, I'm not strong enough to hold on nobody still, no matter the truth. But
I'm
me
not lie.
start to gym and them something and them push ups them. So I so can start. But I guess something that sound weird. I say so can start hold on people, but no. No, we not do that. We not do that.
We not do that at all.
Yeah, we not condone them kind of behavior there. But yeah, we're not strong enough to hold on nobody now. So people need to stop so we hold on nobody. We're not holding on anybody.
Yeah.
I mean, this is the best time for them to showcase them skills. No one can
What you
stop
say?
them from Europe, I'm
What
telling
you
you.
say a while ago?
I made a
Yeah,
video
what
and
is wrong with the audio, bro? What is wrong with your equipment today? Jesus have mercy.
they call me late.
Yeah, go through now.
Yeah, man, I say I made a video in the past saying that listen, nobody holding it down, right? You have big TV, everybody can see. If you're good enough,
Well, on the amen. Stop. Yeah, audio, bro. Yeah, yeah.
I like to have your laughs with the right thing.
Come
Yeah,
try,
man, what?
try again.
Go on again. No, bro. Take your time. Breathe, bro. Go on now. Go on.
man, to now hear my
Nah, my father. Go on now. Go
Go
on
through.
now, my boss.
yeah, man, I say I made a video in the past saying that listen, no one is holding you down. If you're good enough, people will see you. We
Facts.
saw we saw the likes of Richard Kings, the what's this guy's name again? A whole heap of
Chad
players.
King is a bad example.
A terrible
Well,
example.
well, he was good enough in the
You
league and
you can
he
say
got
Ronaldo see
Europe.
fast.
See if us as but the point is, the point is, listen.
Man, I completely done my show, my youth. What you say, bro?
The point is, no one is holding you back. As long as you're good enough, persons are watching.
Bro,
One
which
step,
national team, Shaquan Satchel play for? We're Ghana and Slovenia and just win cup with it. And which national team him did play for again? Which national team Roman Blake did play for? They over MLS too.
But, yeah.
I go and done up for him thing. And which senior team him did play for again? Bro, listen to me. You have a thing called agents, first of all,
Yep.
that you sign with, that they're supposed to shop you and get the deals. My national team is not for showcase people, bro. No, and that if I see somebody who believes say I go be important for me. I do Jean Richards. I would say, all right, him not necessarily I play domestically where him warrant a call up, but here what? Him a go important for we in a few. So we need him to have this experience and we need him to go to Gold Cup would we and see it work. So that next year when we are play a Gold Cup and him a chances are one of the starters or at least a very important player for it. He's been here before, him know for do it. But he's not no. Dujan Richards never need with national team to get seen, bro.
No, Dejan Richards get signed and then him get in a national team.
Nah, show you, and that's how it should be, bro. It should be a natural progression. So it's
Sign
not about
and
mhm,
then get in a national team.
mhm.
Not getting national team to get signed. Sign a
No.
pro contract and
Yeah.
then you're eligible to get called up. As some you look
That
on.
that are the reward. The reward is not you play for your national team and you get rewarded by a contract from a big club in Europe. No.
Yeah.
It's you move to Europe and then you get rewarded by playing for the national team. Remind me again, which national team Ronaldo Cephas did play for? Come on, bro. Like you work hard in the JPL, you get the transfer, you go and you play well, and you get a call up, bro. Remember, at Jamaica we are talking about, brother. We team big, We are talking about we have professionals where I play at the highest level in the area.
Hundreds of thousands of pounds a year, man.
Cool,
So
no dog. So
hundreds of thousands of pounds a week.
no
One
spot not there for exposure, youth. No spot not there for exposure. So again, we could go back to the goalkeeping conversation.
Mhm.
And then we are go to defenders or whatever. For the goalkeeping situation, Shaquan Davis, yeah, pop him out for say a Canada boys Clark or yeah.
Absolutely.
Mm,
If me I go boss a young youth, might as well me boss a Boys Clark. Boys Clark not play as much as I want him to play, but better him than the local player, to be honest. Sign a contract and then get in the national team. I have other players, Dylan Barnes and the Adore brother, where they over one part same way. You get me? And say we have goalkeepers all over the world who play football right now, who want to play for the national team. So give them a call up, but especially Boys Clark.
yeah.
And if Boys Clark did then a JPL, I'm gonna captain of them JPL team.
Mm,
Literal. Boys Clark at what 20, 21 years old, had he been in the JPL, he would have been not only the best JPL player, not only the best JPL goalkeeper, but he'd also be the best player in the JPL. From the
yeah.
goalkeeper position.
No, 100%, bro.
That's at
Boys,
the levels where me I
Bo-
try to say. Same would have been a
Boys Clark can play Premier League too, bro, and he
he
might
would have
play
been
for Reading and do him thing.
he would have been a 21-year-old goalkeeper, would have been by far and away the best goalkeeper in the division and possibly the best player in the division.
Yeah.
That's why Boris Clark would be the third string goalkeeper, if you ask me.
I agree with you. We could look on the defenders now. Last time we had Richard King, Damian Lowe, Deshaun Bernard, Michael Hector, Dexter Lemikisa, Tavon Gray, and Greg Lee. So we got 7 defenders last time. On a feel about that defensive unit coming back. Obviously, we never have Amari Bell in there, which more than likely would have been the 8, even though I think so for bring a right back cover. But yeah, I want to feel about that.
As
If
we
you
say,
want to consider Damian Lowe a defender.
yeah, as we say, you introduce Amari Bell and after that,
That or that.
keep it as it go. 1 second. We'll probably go with Javier Brown over Tavian Gray because I've not been impressed with Tavian Gray.
May I tell you the truth?
Mm.
May I tell you the truth, broski? Javier Brown over Tavon Gray.
Yeah, because I've not necessarily been impressed with Tavon Gray, but besides that, add Amari Bell to the mix and we keep it moving, yeah.
Bro, Javier Brown better than Tavon Gray.
Tavon Gray cost me another game there, bro.
Javier Brown. No, me even not be reactive in
Corey
terms
Burke
of
scored the own goal, but at the end of the day, the ball a come at 500 million miles per hour and it come off her head. Whoopsie do. But when Tavon Gray get the ball, and you are leading in a 90th minute, and all you have to do is kick the ball to the next corner flag. Messi, take your ball and kick the ball to the next corner flag. And nobody in this world ever in the history of the game, barring Maradona, can dribble that ball like Messi. And him himself, when him up in the last minute of the game, I go kick the ball for the next team corner flag. So who is Stefan Gray who want to come and try to dribble through man field? When we are lead 1-0 in the 90th minute. Nothing no bun miss up. Yet in a long time, nothing no bun miss up. And while him a dribble the ball, me I say, Bridging, kick the ball up, son of man. Fine if you don't want to kick it to the next corner flag. Kick it in one of them, in one of the fan them face. Kick it over the roof, because you know so the AT&T Stadium have this big old dome roof. Kick it over it, Bridging. But do
yeah,
anything
like,
else with the ball except do what you do with the ball.
Boy, the
And
man see the bright lights, Joe man. The man see the bright lights and say,
so wait, now when they try to take on everybody and go score.
That want the moment, my God.
So move on,
Yes.
move on before me,
Yeah,
please.
yeah,
But
because
yeah,
you piss me off. You're right. So Tavon great because of that. So the own goal bad and not so bad, but that are the slide that really irks me. So
for me still, me I bring back Javian Brown. Also for the fact that we're he three at the back at that moment, see Javian Brown playing a three team club
yeah,
as a right centre back. Obviously, we know Javian Brown is more defensive than attacking. Me that go Javian Brown over Tavon Gray and Dembekisa.
bro,
Amar
and I also want Wes Harding over Richard King.
residing over Richard King.
Yeah. Or Rico Henry. But you get me, I say whichever one of them we get. But yeah, yeah. Me the R
Yeah,
Max Arons or Ben Johnson.
big
But yeah,
facts.
over Richard King. But Wes Harding play for the national team already. And me that
Yeah.
definitely prefer him over Richard King at this point. But this bro, Richard King is that much younger than Wes Harding, bro. He's not that much younger than Wes Harding, and Wes Harding a night and day and then the next night again, and then the next day again better than him.
I
So me not
can't
understand.
understand left out of the squad now.
Oh,
Yeah,
I can't understand why. I think that Panama game,
yeah, bro, because when Wes Harding did play for the national team in the Panama game, they still him look backward still. Him look like my football did allergic, man, I tell you the truth.
mm.
I keep pointing out the fact in a top of have Burke play on the team side. The whole at the whole side exposed. The whole of the side they exposed. Everything that's a good on West Side.
But me I tell
Everything.
you the truth still, Emil. In that game, they still never look like him know much about football. Me I be God honest with you, but even so, still want him over Richard King. Just simply
Yeah,
because.
bro.
Simply
Yeah,
because.
me agree. Me
So,
agree.
so me that have Javian Brown instead of Tavon Gray. Tavon Gray get a chance and you frigate. Then me that add a Maribel to the back line and then me that transpose Richard King with Wes Harding. And that would have been my defenders when me would have carried.
Straight up. Make a look on the midfield of them now, which is always the problem part at the pitch for Jamaica. We have Daniel Johnson, Joel Latibo there, Bobby DeCardova, Reed, Kara Anderson, Casey Palmer. Then be listed on the CFAS as a midfielder. But obviously we know that are forward. So just have a look on Johnson, Latibo there, DeCardova, Reed, Anderson, and Palmer.
And they cried over the next one too. We may well be a forward as well.
May
So
well be a forward.
it is a hard situation for we. Um bro.
This is where, bro, if Omar Hutchinson come, I feel like Omar Hutchinson is a midfielder for we.
Yeah, and
We have,
Daniel
it- we have,
Johnson, Daniel Johnson just no see my jet, no time, no way, no not all.
no,
Big
me
up
see Jet still.
Daniel Johnson for the contributions, and you come at a time where it really need international based players and dual nationals to come and kind of push the trajectory to a next level. You get me? I say, in Man Rafael come in at a bunch there, and the Jams load them same way, come around
No, man,
them.
he make it plain, man.
You
Daniel
think,
Johnson make it plain same way, man.
all right,
Yeah,
so
bro, short a midfielder.
so
Now four midfielder.
you midfield, forward more up on my team,
Daniel Johnson, Joel Latibodier,
Yeah.
Omar Hutchinson,
Mhm.
Kara and Casey Palmer. 5.
And Jerry Latibody is leaving a midfielder, a defender.
A
And,
midfielder for we. But
and
I see that Joel Latibody. Oh, so Richard King is replaced by Joel Latibodier. And then the spot they were in at the midfield, Omar Hutchinson get that.
okay.
So I really Richard King can't make me say. Big baller, don't get me wrong. Top footballer. One of the best centre backs in the country. And I'm sure that time and time again. But a levels we are talking about. You get me? I said Joel Latibo there, night and day above Richard King. For me personally. But hey, Joel Latibo there is one of the defender. Them email thanks for pointing that out. But the midfield spot, bro. My 5 would have been Johnson, Hutchinson, Becardova, Kara Anderson,
also,
Palmer.
yeah, left Wizarding then. You know bother with Wizarding then.
Mid a left was Harden.
All right.
And go Latibo there as a defender. Because remember, I go pack up a forward,
Yeah.
So
Continue.
if I go pick Wizard or Latibo there, I go Latibo there.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Obviously, I know arguments say, nah, do this still, but I just
Okay.
saw my badness come
Oh,
down same way. So, that be
your midfields there.
Johnson, Hutchinson, Kara Anderson, Casey Palmer. And you know, some want to say me that add Decard over as a midfielder still, bro. Because I can't them man they go play for the same way.
Yeah, I think it depends, but you can put him in the midfield line, bro. No matter, at the end of the day, no, bro, it no matter where you get listed pan this really and truly. Who
Me
cares where you
know.
get listed pan? It's not like say we do a starting level type vibe. You get me? I say, but
Yeah.
yes, Daniel Johnson, bro. Daniel Johnson can make my team.
Yeah, bro, but who instead?
Give me my boy Russell then.
Me
John
after
Russell?
any day. Me take Dan Russell over Daniel Johnson. At least me know say John Russell that got there. He might go play behind the attacking midfield line and the forwards and the winger them. And he might go hold up play and he might go make runs. He might go give you something with Daniel Johnson give you, bro. Daniel Johnson
Daniel
can
Johnson frustrating, man.
Daniel Johnson can kick
And
a
then Daniel Johnson is not even a midfielder.
corner. Him no
Daniel
run.
Johnson now play midfield for we there.
I bring him on some weird wide hybrid position, bro. Him can't beat a man. Him is not the best passer in the world. You get me? I say him don't tackle. Him don't hustle hard in defense. I don't think he's very good positionally. He's not super skilled. Him don't demonstrate exceptional technical ability. This man can kick a corner. No,
Yeah.
you can't dip on the field if you can kick a corner, bro. And yes, if you got the on the field, you can kick a corner. We're supposed to be like Arsenal. We are score a corner every other game. And you know what?
Go on, talk there.
We aren't scoring a corner every single game, but yet still we have Latibo there, Damian Lowe, Michael Hector. You get me? I say we have Corey Burke, Shamar Nicholson. And then we have a man who's supposed to be a dead ball specialist, and we still not score a goal from corner. Then what the point? What the point? You get me? I say so, bro. Me I tell
So
you,
all you would have got. So what you would have do?
no, man, me replace Daniel Johnson with a forward, man. People might say me
Straight
sound
up?
ignorant, but Jamaica have only
It's so
forward.
ignorant. So very ignorant.
We just first of all, how much people can play on a football field at one time? As me say,
That's true, bro, but one injury ain't a problem.
this bro, but one injury and Daniel Johnson come on,
There's still no problem.
it mean nothing to me. Him not
But
show me.
I'm saying, here email I said the John Russell, I understand.
So yeah,
Would I
so
say,
so
if you have a sub John, yeah.
John Russell for me, you get me? I say Casey Palmer, Karai Anderson, as I said, Ricardo Reed, and Omar Hutchinson at my five. Daniel
Email,
Johnson,
how that sound?
Daniel Johnson can't see my jet.
I feel
Yeah,
like just
corrupt still, you know.
kind of harsh on Daniel Johnson still, but
Incorrect, man. Don't get me wrong. I know I find myself in a position where me are different Daniel Johnson. Where I don't really necessarily believe in a Daniel Johnson like that. But
You rather
it's a
Daniel,
hard.
you rather
If
Daniel
I read
Johnson
cover.
over John Russell. At least
Now,
me
I'm
know.
not see,
At least me know
I'm
if
not
you.
see nothing from John Russell,
At
bro.
least me know if you have fucks him can't bring on John Russell and come put on John Russell left midfield or left wing. Me know if you have
Me not see,
fucks him can't do that. So if you bring
me
on
not see
John
nothing from John
Russell,
Russell.
he be as a six.
But me not see nothing from John Russell.
No man, me see something from John Russell in the Azteca.
if you don't see anything from John,
Me no know. It's like he never there watch the game in Mexico. We there watch where Jamaica actually look good. But me know say when me see from John Russell, me know say me see the man they have turn, me know say me see the man they have tackle. The man is super fast, but in position never bad neither.
I just that, bro. Him slow, man. Him slow in the mid pitch, bro. Me no love it turn them. Him look rigid, bro.
So
Look like
what
a fridge in
what
the mid
turn
pitch.
Daniel Johnson not turn in mid pitch?
Daniel Johnson not playing in the mid pitch.
To the point when I try and mix and the better me come off of the bench with Kaim Paris or Whisper
Ah,
or Dixon or Cephas or Jamal Lowe.
Me agree with that. But if you hear me, I say,
Johnson not up on the bench, him cannot come on.
if you say you want to see more from John Russell, me agree with that. Me need to see more from John Russell. But man, me not see nothing from John Russell to say, oh, me need him nice squad or like me not see nothing, bro.
an
Nothing need.
imposing
And
figure.
you are telling me about the fact that we midfield weak and little, I'm rather
Yeah.
I look on the bench and I want the next midfielder. Who me rather see? The 6'3" tall brother. We have
Kev Lambert. Kevin Lambert.
still rather John Russell.
Yeah.
Damn, I think Kevin Lambert can put in a shift for me.
Depends on the opposition.
As me say, bro, me no know why the man them a fight out John Russell. Because me never say super impressed, like he never give me a 10 out of 10 performance, but him did seem competent enough to me.
Me
When
want
can
to see more. Me need to see more from him, bro. Me never overly impressed.
so for me, bro, Daniel Johnson, him not come from
Daniel
my
Johnson get the boot.
yeah, bro. Me I go with John Russell as me say, Bobby DeCardo Reed, Omar Hutchinson, Casey Palmer, Corey Anderson. That's my midfield five.
So the attacking line now, where you stay? Cause watch you know, in the attacking line, you know, we have. Yeah, it's a Bobby Reed midfielder now.
Yeah, I say Bobby Reed, I mean, but as me
So
say,
now,
no matter.
so we'd have Corey Burke, Demari Gray, Shaman Nicholson, Mikel Antonio, Jamal Lowe, Kaim Dixon, and who did replace Kadamate with again?
Whenever did you replace him?
Devante Cole never defend.
Oh man, may I look. Who did replace Kadamate with? Then you don't know we have man like Cephas too. We have a Whisper. You would have said, give me about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Give me 8.
Go through the email, make we hear what you have to say.
No, give me 1, 2, 3, 4. Me know say we're heavy, so give me 8. Cause we're heavy with the forward. Give me 8.
Bro, honestly, Mikel Antonio, I go for Shamar Nicholson, Ronaldo Cephas, Demari Gray. I feel like we need to revisit Jamalo.
Okay. Me not mad at it.
Um,
Obviously Corey Burke,
no, I don't want to call.
Cephas.
That
Bro, I don't want one goalie I kill him man so far.
man
No, no,
Arden like no problem this at all, you know.
I
no,
want
no,
one goalie I kill Corey Burke for.
different. I just want to see something different. You have the likes of Davante Cole as well. He has his passport. So,
Them say Dushan Sterling can come in our midfield too. Them
Yeah,
say
bro.
that.
Dejan Sterling, bro. Him over John Russell and Daniel
Johnson.
Johnson. But we never know so we there talk about potential pick.
Prospect. Yeah.
Arrest me that put Reese Nelson, Mason Green, and everybody in my team right now.
Yeah.
But
We're
yeah,
all in.
but
but
yeah, something there definitely in the midfield over DJ for sure. Cause I'm more skilled than DJ, more technically gifted than DJ. Him tackle, him work hard,
Yeah.
him can kick a corner too. Cause apparently that DJ differ. So yeah, bro,
Yeah, beat him still no father.
eat and teach, bro.
Fi forward line my 8 now. You don't know me that go. Demari Gray, Shamar Nicholson, Mikel Antonio. You see me? We are going on in line now. Dujan Richards. You see it? That are 4. But we now go potential. Who potentially will come? That are 4. So then now me I go Jamal Lowe as 5. You see me? Then me I go Ronaldo Cephas as 6. You see style. So we need 2 more.
call my boy Roof.
Emil, me disrespecting our youth. We have 2 more dog. I mean, have to use them spot here wisely too, you know.
Leon Bailey.
Leon, Leon Bailey now come, my God.
Bro, first of all,
Leon Bailey.
yeah, you have to call. You say think I'll give Snark call a player.
Leon Bailey. So
Yeah.
one more spot now. Who you have for that one spot there? Cause I don't know if you would go Ronaldo Cephas or Jamal Lowe, you know. Me would go Ronaldo Cephas. If I call 8, I want to sure about the at man them, like the Nelson and them man there. Me I call Cephas and Jamal. Me love how me see from Cephas.
Yeah, no, me I go see first because of the pace.
Bro, the man rapid, bro.
Real
And
Jamal, everybody knows that Jamal my baller still no, but as me I say, bro, No matter
Stefan's fast like gunshot die.
no matter how
Stefan's
much
fast.
no matter how much me rate you in a Jamal, if you not bring the goods in, bro, then I just say like that pace they would just see for stuff, bro.
Bro, man, wicked fast, bro.
Yeah, so if you're a little 5 minutes off of the bench, bro, imagine Fiend pace and whisper
I
pace.
see if us, yeah, I see if us over low. But at 8 spot, may I say, chances are we're gonna bring like 7, and we're gonna list one forward as a midfielder. So really and truly, it'll be 8, but we're gonna give you 8 just for shits.
Yeah.
It not gonna be 8. It not gonna be 8.
And me say, bro, you're 40, good to be 9. You watch
But
it.
say we're gonna list 1 or 2 as midfielder.
Oh, so you say when Greenwood forward, they might be listed as midfielder.
Bro, if Reece Nelson come in mind, Reece Nelson I top link you.
Bro, you keep on a hype on which pan the man them listed. You know, say lot of body list a midfield and lot of body play centre back in all the match
Bro, me
them.
nah say no, but yeah, I say if Greenwood come if I me not care when them get listed either.
Oh,
But just
yeah,
a
yeah,
select
that's something different now. Different reasoning. If Nelson come and come run off in mid pitch way.
top link, bro.
Right now, dog. If we
That a
get
if Liam Bailey dip on the right.
if we get it's not a matter if Leon Bale depend the right. Once Leon Bale depend the team and Leon Bale the right wing spot that. I mean,
Yeah, but
you have some people, you have some
bro.
idiot, bro. You have some, you may even gonna say, 'cause I don't want to call out nobody on social media to them name. But you have some people say some things that piss me off, you know. If Leon Bale play for the national team, that right wing spot is his and his alone.
Until he don't want it no more.
They could not bother with it. And only when him no want it, then I feel him one. Please,
Yeah,
let's not do this. It's one of the most frustrating things to me, bro.
yeah.
Then me dey on IMAX it show and me I tell him say everybody a beat me. And me I say, bro, please make we just have little sense, no man. Just if so Leon made on the right
Yeah.
and bro, Mason Green have to go play through the middle, bro.
No, Mason Green for go play forward. Ademar Gray, Liam Bailey, and
And Green,
boy, and Greenwood Daka, Shamanicas, we need to do a show about Shamanicas and decision when make 2 years ago for
Russia,
Russia,
mash
which
up.
possibly hurt him career, bro.
Yep, not possibly, you know, see.
We don't know it would have turned out otherwise, but it look like it hurt him career, bro.
Me
Cause
no
the
know
man
it's like
gone to France and team get relegated.
20 goal in a Belgium and then get by a top Belgian team or a top Dutch team and then go on and star up the Eredivisie and then find him way in a Germany or the Premier League. Now say to that
Yeah.
go.
So we know something can happen, but the man team get relegated, bro, in a league on. So we need to talk about that. But right now, it would have to be Greenwood through the middle, bro.
Yeah, bro, that's what I say. So it would have to be
Me,
Leon.
Even Mikel Antonio, me I tell him that go Greenwood over Mikel Antonio.
Of course. What you mean? That I don't like
No,
hot
man,
take. That I no hot take.
no, man, that's a hot take, man. That's a hot take. Cause Mikel Antonio are forward.
So
Mikel Antonio proven to it.
Mason Greenwood get called up for the England national senior team.
Bro, Mason Greenwood a winger, bro.
The, Mason Greenwood score goals. That Mason Greenwood do.
No, I agree with that. I will see my forward already for Manchester
Yeah,
United. So who knows them can do it.
that's not even a hot take. You would have Billy and on the right, them are down the left, Mason Greenwood through the middle, Reece Nelson behind them, bro.
Yo!
Yeah,
That's exciting, bro.
Reece Nelson behind them, or I don't know if we feel super frisky, if we feel super spicy, Reece Nelson and Bobby Reed the behind them. You get me? I say,
My Hutchinson.
what do you in Scotland? What do you in Scotland name again? We want to bring in
Dujan Sterling.
him behind them. Yeah. And then Ethan Pinnock and
I will
Nana.
just run over some side.
Ethan Pinnock and Nana as the central defender them. And then bro,
I best attack that in a CONCACAF, you know.
and then me I wonder, bro, Amari Bell or Greg Lead close. Something there, I wonder me like let me key something there. I wonder if Greg Lee play me right back, me don't even know. Me
Me
there,
not mad at anyone.
there
Me not gonna argue.
play me right back and Amari Bell play me left back. I get me and say let me key just
Me
want
not
to the same way.
Me not gonna argue. Amari Bell, Greg Lee, me not gonna argue. Anyone get picked, I say by Mr. Man.
So imagine that 4-3-3, the Bobby Reed as the 8th, same way the utility man, the utility midfielder with the hard work and then Reece Nelson. You see Reece Nelson come in and him kind of play a while, but him invert a lot. Him always find himself on the inside and he might make
Wanna
play
see,
side.
wanna see if he can go knuckle it down there mid pitch, bro. Make
So
a come
imagine,
see.
imagine Bobby Reed and Reese Nelson as the 8-10. And then now the bench now. So upon the bench you have the likes of Lemby Keys upon the bench. You get me I say? Or
Mm-hmm.
or Greg Lee, one of them. Lemby Keys or Greg Lee upon the bench. And then we have Omari Hutchins upon the bench, same way. And we have Shemar Nicholson and Michael Antonio come on as impact players. And then we have Whisper. I come on as an impact player for the bench. Whisper barely make the team, just barely squeeze in. And then same way we have Latibo there, can come in, come short up. Same way we have Casey Palmer can come in, come inject with the juice when the time they be. That I
No
want,
man, the Eagle move, bro.
I want squad, bro.
That me I tell you the Eagle move.
You know,
If Green
me, me no love when my national team play 4-3-3. You know, say me no love that. Or with one holding midfielder. But if we have Sterling, Bobby Reed, and Reese Nelson, bro, at the 4-3-3, and then Greenwood play through the middle, bridging, and
I'm
then
say
Demar
I
upon
feel
one
like
side, Leon on the other side, and Omar Hutchinson, and Shemar Nicholson, and Casey Palmer, and Latibo there, and Lemby Kisa, and Michael Antonio. After the bench,
yeah.
Crazy.
Not telling like still my approach would have more be the team where I play. If we play a team who favor and we know we have the ball, that's where you will say how we want to go with. But then when we are play the big guns, me still not think that midfielder can match up to them. So me that go to the chair at the back area. But bro, switching between them two systems there,
that
it's gonna
would,
be hard. But
all of them forward, they will not play the three at the back. Me can tell you that for a fact. Who
bro,
might
bro,
do
we have
is
a sacrifice, bro.
switch out a Bobby Reed and bring in a Latibo there, you get me I say, and run Sterling and a Latibo there, you get me I say, and bump Sterling up to the 8. Latibo there can fill in and drop in. What me can
Yeah.
tell you is we
But
not play with the three if we get them three,
yeah.
man. Me love three at the back. If we get Nelson, Hutchinson, and Mason Greenwood, and we play three at the back, first of all, coach is a coward and you can't coach.
It
Make a fight,
depends who we play, brother. It depends who we play.
bro.
It depends who we play.
No matter who we are playing, we're as good as anybody now.
Bro, on paper different, bro. Cause remember, say, well, midfield still not as good. Cause we still have fit too forward as midfielder. It's still not as good if we can dominate a midfield. But when we are playing teams where we have the ball, where them just can't play the ball around with, we
As
can do that.
if
But we are playing America, we can't play Bobby Reed and Reese
yes,
Nelson as midfielder.
just I try to show you said the most we fit the most adjustment to our do is take out with 8 and play at a more double pivot type situation. Or make Sterling play the 8 and then play a deep line CDM. That's the only switch you're supposed to can switch. But if you have Mason Greenwood, Leon Bailey, and Devon Gray, you
And the
have to
ball
give
just not reach them. Then what?
them all of the opportunity in the world
I understand.
to take people.
I understand.
You
I
figure out.
understand
And
it.
then Dejan Sterling are one of the best players in the division too, bro.
Yeah.
Solid player. Solid young player. From when me here. I go make moves. Me love the trade but me love defensive. As a former goalkeeper, that are my shit. But if we get them three man up on our team, like Leon, if we have Leon, Demar Gray, Reese Nelson, Mason Greenwood,
Mm.
still have Hutchinson, still have Bobby Reed, still have Shemar Nicholson, still have Michael Antonio.
Oh, stupid.
And bro, we still have Ethan Pinnock.
Mm-hmm.
Let's not get this twisted and misconstrued. We still have Andre Blake.
Yeah.
So no, scrubs they run about neither. Top level all about the park. As I say, if we close talk, when I think we get three, but do we get two email?
So
Jesus.
you tell dog.
No one people them believe,
Oh,
but it's a possibility. Never say never.
Me know say, bro, I'll give him some good fair surprise.
if we get two, which two? Not which two you want, but which two you think we get?
I think most like Sterling. Definitely Sterling.
We said definitely we get Sterling. So still enough in passport and thing that confirm?
Hey, brother.
Yeah,
Me think if we get to Omar Hutchinson and Reese Nelson.
Yeah.
Hutchinson. No.
No.
Reason.
Nelson there, bro. Him dip on the bad
Yeah.
ground.
Me just would have love for work, what then call it? Customs and just know which passport come in. Yeah, we just would have love. Regardless still, me not tell lie. Chances are I'm UK passport. We just would have see. Would
No,
have
but
still look.
sorry, you know, same of you know, Senny Reese Nelson have Jamaican passport.
No, me not know. But me I say if me work at custom, me not tell a lie. Me that peak.
But
Me
he
that
probably,
one peak.
probably still wouldn't even use it.
I know. But bro,
Almost, almost easier for use your British passport when you come Jamaica, anyways.
me not say no. No man. If you come at customs, man, I blue book, you have to show them forget little ease. You get me I say? Cause remember them I make you know, even though it not gonna matter, cause even if them tell him 6 months, he not care. But anyways, me I pray and me I hope. Me excited about the reasons one. The Mason Green the one them and they been I make
Like,
you know say yo in focus not really. They just about we see even a Jamaican kit a train. Um Omar Hutchinson been a dodgy, but hey, him have Jamaican flag on him waist. Reese Nelson, we find out in our Arsenal video say the dog have Jamaican roots. Me that hope say the powers that be make them move off of that to see the dog in a Jamaica same their home same way. Come on, bro. Come on. If we not get Reese Nelson, we are loaf. It don't take 6 months to get one passport, brother.
No one it take 3 day max, man.
You see me, so that
I
that.
love to
But
just
anyways,
you pay 11 grand and you get it in a 3 day, you know.
yeah, well, as I'm saying, documents are for fine and proof of whatever, whatever.
Mm.
But hey, hopefully we get to my bet is that we get at least one. That are my bet. I'm
And
gonna
that
say Omar,
Omar Hutchinson.
yeah, I want to say we get at least one. Algrim's good for your shot. Algrim is a usually don't play with him squad them. You have to get one. You see me, so Algrimson, remember last time he surprised you with Kadamati and them and then.
Absolutely.
This time, this time now, may I expect to see at least Hutchinson. But hey, that are that.
but if the word
Gone.
shock, that be a shock if we see him.
What you mean?
Because I don't know, I don't want the word shock. I don't
So
want,
you so you're sure Hutchinson now because
So
of
you sure?
no, I mean, as me tell you, don't turn that Jamaican and then not come play for win. Yeah, they already play for
Yeah.
her. So
What you gonna do?
that more no.
can't say upon online, man. I
Ah,
cannot.
left it. Yeah. We don't need to
That's
send nothing.
crazy.
Omar Hutchinson, watch your head back, my father.
I joke, man.
Left that. Anyways, we that obviously people big summer come up. Um, Back on the grind, don't forget. If you want 10% off Jamaica versus Dominica Republic tickets for the game, the World Cup qualifying game on June 6th, use the code Decider Sports TV to get 10% off. Is it? Big up on yourself. Make sure we soon in the national stadium. Make sure you're there with a flag high. Make sure you're there cheer on the boys. Much more content will come. This sound like the match at tomorrow, but hey, what it more for come? Are we that still? If you like the video, leave a comment, subscribe to Decider Sports TV, and one more thing first, though.
Share the video to at least 10 people get us 6 subscribers because if each and every one of you guys manage to do that,
Can you imagine how many subscribers that would get us by the end of the day?
that's
Nah, man. People gone. Gone, my gone.
Oh.